Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use Yahoo Mail, you might already know they recently reduced their free storage limit from 1 terabyte down to just 20 gigabytes. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to check your current storage capacity so you never miss an important email because your inbox is full. To begin, make sure you are using a desktop computer, as the mobile app does not currently display this specific information. Open your web browser, navigate to Yahoo Mail, and log into your account. Once you are in your main inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will find a settings gear icon. Click on that gear to open up the quick settings panel. Inside that panel, glance toward the bottom and click on the option labeled More Settings. This will transition you to your full account settings page. Now, simply look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Your email storage indicator is located right there. It displays exactly how much space you have used and the percentage of your limit that remains. If you notice your usage bar is getting close to full, it is a good idea to sort your inbox by size and delete old emails with large attachments to free up some room. That is all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tech solutions. Thanks for watching.